So this is the machine that I put an i5 in when it did have a Pentium, and we are going to upgrade this for game emulation. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add more storage to it. So we're going to pop off the back cover, which just slides off. Here's a look at the internals. We do have the option of putting in a dedicated GPU, which we might do at some point, but not quite yet. We're going to install our new SATA 3 SSD into this holder, which we broke in a previous video. But we're going to slide it into the slot and make sure it's securely seated. Then the cover will go right back on. We'll plug in our power and our HDMI cables. To move our emulation files, we are going to be using this 16GB SD card. And we'll turn the machine on. We're going to go ahead and start the file transfer to get it onto the machine, and we're going to go in and initialize our new drive with the disk management feature. And now that we have the new drive established, we're going to drag over our previously transferred files. Once that's completed, we're going to launch the application. I'm not going to go through a tutorial on how to do this, there are plenty out there on YouTube. But now we can emulate original Xbox games on this PC. This isn't the most efficient way to do things, but I'm going to set up a Chrome Remote Desktop so that I can access this from any computer. Because Chrome Remote Desktop, surprisingly enough, has pretty good bandwidth for this sort of thing. The game I used for testing was Medal of Honor Frontline, and it got okay frames per second, but it wasn't super great on the original Xbox either. It clocks out at about 65% when it's running at maximum, and the temperatures, while they're not amazing, they're not bad either. Honestly, they ran a little bit hotter just running the Windows updates. But this machine is now going to be my network emulation machine that I'll revisit from time to time with updates.